Everness to Everness, it's a very common launcher issue. It usually means the updater can't connect properly to patch servers or is stuck in a loop. Here's a clean, working fix list. Fix: checking for updates stuck issue. 1. Force close and relaunch properly. Close launcher completely, check Task Manager. Reopen using Run as administrator. 2. Clear launcher cache. Most important, press Win-R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete NTE launcher-related folders, restart PC, and launch again. This fixes update loop in most cases. 3. Change DNS. Very effective. Set manual DNS 88.8.4 or 1.11.1. Fixes stuck update handshake with servers. Try different internet, even if you're not using VPN. Switch to mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi. If it works equals your ISP is blocking or slowing update servers. 5. Disable firewall antivirus temporary. Turn off Windows Defender or antivirus briefly. Launch Updater again. Some security tools silently block patch downloads. 6. Reinstall launcher. Uninstall launcher. Delete leftover folders in. % local app data. % program files sent. Download fresh installer. Install required components. Make sure you have Visual C++ redistributables, latest .NET framework. If still stuck, then it's likely server-side issue, region-related connection problem, launcher bug after release. Try again later or during off-peak hours. Quick diagnosis. Loops instantly, cache bug, stuck for long time, network issue, fails after few seconds, permission firewall. If you want, I can also give you a direct